Hi everyone, welcome back to Can of Coffee. I have a Krups ea8250, and this machine was brought in because it wasn't grinding coffee and so wasn't functioning. So what we had discovered is that the grinder just needed to be replaced. So we went ahead and did so, and also this was shipped to us and the water reservoir had been cracked. We went ahead and replaced that as well. And we also, and this was pretty dirty inside, so we went ahead and actually did a cleaning cycle on this machine as well. But everything's working, so let's test it. Looking good. Alright, there it is. Krups espresso machine working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Can of Coffee, and please like our videos.